Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ubakmi ya katanat kampo ying Bah Prestone tensong ha kakatway tarik no opera ula kentu ya kaliang persya Voice of the People Party VPP ba kadai ban kiar ban pynkylla kam politik lingba kamat kabayadai ba kajing temu penkenria ya kilai spak sapu arteli kilong ying harijan na Them Iew Mawlong syakajaka balalong try dak shlong Municipal Board SMB. Kani kalawan long shisngi hadian ba kaseng VPP kalapan pau kajing persya ya kajing shimra jong kasorkar ban bahak syuk sa iway point saw akar kajaka na kabenta ban penkenria ya kini kilong ying harijan na Them Iew Mawlong. Ubak tensong habakran syakilat patai kubor ulaong kitu kinongelam kibaken thok persya ya kajing shimra jong kasorkar kidai kibayalek kai politik. Kani kadai tang kakam yalek kai politik klem datip ya kajing shisha baro klem datip ya kajing don jong kilong ying jong katai kajaka kumta ngam kwa ban yatai nia ngam kwa ban pendut por ha kibakum kini kijat ishu kabaki wanra ulaong ru bakam mut ba habapen pa badan kamsa iway point saw akar kajaka kamut bakani kajaka la IT syakini kibriu Henry kamut bala IT yaka syaka shlong Municipal Board kakut tangkum tahi kamdei bakiyo banlong try namar kadei kajaka jong ka shlong Municipal Board. Bah Prestone ulaong watle politik ya kabamdan jengmet baladadan kam ya kajing pensyai ukot penwan ya kendu ya baun batai benia.
They are playing a politics. It's a political game only that they do. Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 of 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Board. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough. Balikin ya keren hakata kulti. Ban persyang ban persutu baklayu pa ba jong. Ngong pi hangno bagi ong bangin aja ka ya kita. Ngong pi ka jaka ngin aja ka Shillong Municipal Board. Bagi Shillong Municipal Board kan selek ikut don kam kum kinong trei jong ka Shillong Municipal Board. Dan rei ngong pi ngai ke statement joki. Hana bala da phimla manta IT hangi ka VP. Kai ka bikin lek maki. Habaki brio ki bom tip tang au bi klep tip ya kamdan khandau ki persyang ban persutu baklai ki pai ba ki chani. I think enough is enough. Upai ba ngatrai usutu ba kata. Tengah kerpat ye kini leaders bakim dai ban sutu bakla, bat kim dai ru ban mislead ye ki pai ba jong jala jongi.